Bright colors swirl in the wind. Echoes of laughter and music fill the air. Noble women and men gather. A festival of unity is about to commence, yet shadows lurk. Heart pounding, she receives the summons. The weight of her lineage pulses through her veins. Tension prickles like lightning in a storm. A shout slices through the air. Steel meets steel. Loyalty and betrayal dance upon the battlefield, igniting fires of rebellion. Schemes lay bare before her. A traitor's hand is at work. Trust, as fragile as parchment, unravels when she unearths the deception. He leans forward, fire in his gaze. A promise of alliance ignites between them. Together, they will forge a path against treachery. Shadows twist into treason, the air thick with deceit. Plans are murmured, and ambition wraps around hearts like a snake. Laughter rings like a bell. The essence of unity breathes through the gathered crowd. Yet, fear lingers beneath the surface like a restless tide. Silence stretches like a taut rope. Words swirl like daggers. Truth about the traitor is laid bare. The air thickens with impending resolution. With hearts ablaze, they embrace the dawn. Echoes of laughter drown the past's echoes as they stand united. Not just a dream, but a shared reality. Together, they stride into the future. Shadows of strife retreat into the past. A new chapter unfolds, bound by bravery and unity. The night glimmers with promise. Lanterns sway, illuminating the faces of hope. Together, they have spun darkness into light. Above, freedom takes flight. A symbol of harmony graces the heavens. In their hearts, they carry the enduring spirit of unity.